Did you know that blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, have hearts so massive that they can weigh as much as a small car, and their heartbeats can be heard from over 2 miles away? Interestingly, while these giants of the ocean possess immense physical power, sea otters, much smaller marine creatures, exhibit a heartwarming behavior of their own, holding hands while they sleep. This helps the otters stay together in the water, preventing them from drifting apart due to currents. Despite their size differences, both creatures highlight the wonders and quirks of marine life. Do you know that clouds can weigh over 1 million pounds? That's right, a single typical cumulus cloud can contain so much water vapor that it weighs as much as 100 elephants, around 1.1 million pounds or 500,000 kilograms. It's like having a floating ocean in the sky. Yet despite all that weight, the tiny droplets that make up the cloud are spread out enough to keep it airborne, creating that illusion of weightlessness. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower actually grows in the summer? Yep, it's true. When the temperature rises, the iron structure of the Eiffel Tower experiences something called thermal expansion. This means that when the iron heats up, it expands, causing the entire tower to grow up to 6 inches taller during those hot summer months. As the metal heats up and stretches, the Eiffel Tower gets a little boost in height, and when the temperatures drop again, it shrinks back down to its usual size. It's like the Eiffel Tower has its own little seasonal stretch. So next time you're in Paris on a warm day, just remember, you might be seeing the Eiffel Tower at its tallest. Did you know that there's enough gold in Earth's core to cover the entire planet? That's right. If we could somehow extract all the gold buried deep within Earth's core and bring it to the surface, there would be enough to coat the entire planet in a layer about 1.5 feet thick. Just imagine, a whole Earth covered in shimmering gold. Pretty wild, right? But before you start dreaming of a golden planet, keep in mind that most of this gold is way out of reach, locked away thousands of miles below the Earth's surface. It's a cool thought though, and it just goes to show how much hidden treasure our planet still holds beneath its crust. If that fact blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Did you know that a day on Earth used to be just 22 hours long? That's right. Hundreds of millions of years ago, the Earth was spinning faster, which meant that days were shorter than they are now. But over time, the moon's gravity has been working like a giant brake, slowly pulling on our planet and causing its rotation to slow down. This process, called tidal friction, has gradually stretched our days out to the 24 hours we know today. And it's still happening. In the distant future, days will get even longer. It's a reminder of how our planet and its closest neighbor are always influencing each other, even in ways we can't see. Imagine holding a teaspoon of something that weighs as much as 900 Great Pyramids of Giza. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's the mind-blowing reality of a neutron star. These are the ultra-dense remnants of supernova explosions, where the star's mass is compressed into an incredibly tiny space. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 6 billion tons. To put that into perspective, that's like trying to lift about 1,200,000 fully loaded Boeing 747s, all packed into the size of a tiny spoon. Neutron stars are some of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe, and they really push the limits of what we think is possible. Did you know that your body produces enough saliva in your lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools? That's right. On average, you generate between zero point 0.5 to 1.5 liters of saliva every single day. When you add that up, it comes to an astonishing 20,000 to 30,000 liters over your lifetime. While it might seem like a lot, saliva plays a crucial role in your daily life. It helps break down food, keeps your mouth moist, and even protects your teeth from decay.